The other day we started putting in some fence posts here to kind of expand that pasture I was talking about in the last video. So we actually just got metal fence posts this time, and wanted to put them in while the ground was still soggy. So it was way easier. So we got all the ones put along the driveway all back in there. Now we're kind of gonna be going through the woods here, and it's still really soggy back here, so I can't really drive anything back here. Last year I got my pickup truck stuck back here, and we had to get the neighbor with the backhoe to pull it out, so that was fun. So yesterday I kind of came out and flagged the line here, kind of where I want to run the fence line through back up to the other side of the property. So we're gonna sit here today, and it's after work now. I'm gonna try to chainsaw through here, see how it goes. All right, so the idea is here we're just gonna kind of blaze a path through here wide enough to get the fence in, and maybe a four-wheeler beside it so we can check the fence line from time to time. It's starting to get dark, so I don't know, I got maybe 150 feet through here. Not bad. All right, till continue on tomorrow. It's a few days later. I got Kale to finish helping me pound in the rest of the posts to make the rest of the fencing, and got it all cut through the woods and whatnot. Now we just gotta put up the electrical rope, and then we can let the horses in. I'm just gonna do two, I think we're just gonna do two lines on these ones. I did like 4 on the first fence, and we did not need that much for horses. So I'm gonna put up like 100 of these things, and then we'll come back and run the wires.
There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone, now that you're gone. Now you know everything that I am.
So going back here, it gets pretty swampy. My idea was to have an ATV trail beside the fence line, but unless I can fill some of this in with the dirt and like a culvert, it might not be able to. It is, whew, Jesus, pretty soggy. And we're at the last post, so just gotta put a couple of these in the ends. Okay, now we're gonna walk back around and look up the wire.
Caught in the pond, no backup plan. So baby, cut yourself loose. Cause a little trouble, don't shed a tear. Keep that sesame smile from eating.
So I took down the old one from this little pasture here. I'm gonna use the white one, which is, it's Gallagher turbo wire, and I find it's way stronger than this other yellow stuff. Can't remember what that is, but it always breaks. Okay, it's all joined there, so now we just gotta stretch it all the way. Sarge, come here. So that's Sarge. He's my helper today. He's our neighbor's dog. You are disgusting, Sarge. Yes, you're disgusting. And swamp diving.
I was mesmerized by your eyes. Keep me up every night. Keep me up every night. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone, now that you're gone.
All right, there we go. We can let the horsies out. Hey, Khaleesi, you want to find some more grass? Contessa, you gonna go out in the pasture? Come on. Come on. Don't worry, as soon as I open the gate, they'll be out. It'll be interesting to see if they stop at the old pasture fence line, or if they see how long it takes them to notice that it's open. All right, Khaleesi, Contessa, come on. Come on. As soon as they realize the fence's gate's open, they're gonna book it. There you go, girls. Don't know if they realized yet. As soon as Khaleesi does. There you go, girls. There you go. Oh, here she sees it. She sees it. Good girl. All right, now let's see if they're gonna go all the way out there. New fence, guys. Oh, see, they don't even realize. Don't even realize yet. Guys, you can go all the way up here now. Come on, get up. Get up, come on. Oh, look at, no fence. Look at all that green grass over there. Look at all that. Not that grass. Look it, come on, get up. Get up. Get up. Jeez, I didn't even need a fence. All right, let's see if I can go. Come on, get up. Get up. Oh, see, now she sees it. There you go. Oh yeah, you don't want to touch that. Oh, see, it's still on the ground. Look at that. Don't worry, it wasn't turned on at all. I still just have to take it out of the tree. Holy, look at all that grass. You guys are eating like it's not going to be there tomorrow. Well, it might not be, because you're going to eat it all. Is that good? Is that good? Yeah. Look at, you guys got so much more room now. So much more room. Oh my God, look at you. You are full of mud. Sarge, you are full of mud. You don't want to come back, do you? You're like, I'm not sure where our border goes. Don't worry, I'm not trying to chase you out. They think I'm going to make them go back in the pasture, or back in the paddocks. It is getting dark out here now, so I think that is it for today. We'll see you in the next one.